Hey guys, Robert Lunt here, Realty One Group MVP, and today I'm going to show you a San Marino by Meritage Homes here in Coasterra, Palmetto, Florida. This one is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a den and a loft. And it's got on this elevation, you have the front porch and the back extended lanai. So there's 4 different elevations with the San Marino. This one, just in case you're interested, it's listed at $479, and they're pretty aggressive and pretty motivated to sell these completed homes on this cul-de-sac right here that they just finished for quick move-ins. So if you're not familiar with my channel, guys, make sure you're checking out all the deals I bring to my channel, all the model tours, all the community tours, all the education that you can find on my channel. If you're looking for a realtor, guys, I've been in the business 10 years. I'm the guy with the rebates, the discounted listing service, and the investor service, guys. So make sure you're checking out my channel to learn more about that, or just shoot me a text at 941-879-4730, Robert Lunt, and check out robertlunt.com, guys. So we're going to give you a tour of this home right now, and I want you to let me know in the comments what you think of this, because I think it's a really good deal for being on this lot. You tell me. So let's walk through it right now. But if you're just looking at this floor plan just because you're in another part of Florida or the country, just to see what it looks like, guys, make sure you're throwing me a like. I appreciate that. Really helps out my channel. Hope this video helps you. I know it's hard to do if you're watching it on TV or something like that, but if you're on your phone or your laptop or something, I'd appreciate it. So walk in, guys. You've got a flex room or a den right here, and this is going to have your 8-foot doors. Okay, on these quick move-ins, which pretty much is all Meritage right now. There's really not a lot of to-be-built stuff they're offering. It's all inventory homes. They've got the vinyl plank laminate flooring, like this quartzite, like solid stone countertop. It's like a man-made quartz type thing, engineered quartz. Really nice because it's not porous. This is an electric community, not gas. Here in Coasterra, they're giving, it's only $49 for the HOA. It's right close to I-75. And on these size lots, I think it's $140 a month for the CDD. So typical lot, this is a 50-foot wide lot. I think it's like 120 depth. So it goes all the way here to the stake. And this is like your backyard, guys. So it gives you a lot of space for a pool. It's a really good setup if you're gonna get a pool, because the way it has that extended wraparound lanai. It gives you a lot of flexibility. They will have amenities in this community starting in about 6 months. Some of them should be up and running, and then everything will be completed by 2028. So you walk here, primary on the first floor. Here's your laundry room right outside the primary. Comes with these like half a tray ceilings in them, at least in this community. Here's a double vanity, well-equipped bathroom. It's got the linen closet behind the door. Just nice, big linen closet, walk-in linen closet. And the glass with the window, the tile with the window and the shower glass as well. Walk-in closet here, guys, so good size. And your water closet right here. We'll go upstairs, show you the loft, and there's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath upstairs with a loft. So let's go here. All right, so here's your loft, guys. 3 windows, so lots of natural light. Another light, couple supplies, a return for the AC, You're gonna have your spray foam insulation with Meritage Homes. That's in the walls. Like carpets and paint really don't have that strong odor. They're supposed to use like less toxic paints and carpets with Meritage Homes, something they pride themselves in being a little bit more eco-friendly. So you're gonna have a 1 bedroom, 1 bath right here with the loft, and then 3 bedrooms and a bathroom over here. These are all good sized rooms, so definitely get queen size beds in there, no problem. This one has a walk-in closet, as you can see, and then this one also has a you have another linen closet here. Your AC system is going to be in the attic, so keep that in mind. I believe in the loft is where you service that unit. So right there, another big closet, big room with a window, and a full bath here with the separation of the, for the door, for the toilet and tub area. So yeah, maybe looking for the attic access. Yeah, I think right there. So that's where you're gonna access your blower unit there, and then see like the filter and stuff you change from right there. So not bad, guys. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this model tour. Make sure you're checking out my full-length video for Coasterra. You'll see it on my channel, as well as I'll have the other builders on there as well. Go in my model tour playlists, and you'll see everything categorized out and trickling in week after week as I keep loading up my channel with these individual model tours, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to hear from you soon. 941-879-4730. On to the next one.